Training is an essential part of Valmet's long-term customer relations. We want to ensure our customers get the most out of their equipment, systems, and processes. We're constantly looking for ways to make knowledge transfer more efficient, because the success of a board and paper producer depends not only on the quality of the technology they use, but the level of their employees' competence. The Valmet Virtual Mill is an interactive virtual training environment, and it is part of Valmet's Learning Services and Industrial Internet offering. The Virtual Mill is a digital design twin of the customer's machinery and surrounding facilities. It can be used for training operators and maintenance workers before both the initial startup and major shutdowns. Using a virtual reality headset and controllers, trainees enter a 360-degree learning environment and move about freely in a 3D virtual setting, interacting with simulated machinery to learn more about the process and the equipment. A clear main menu helps trainees negotiate the virtual mill. It provides a map, information about processes, and access to virtual training modules. Hotspots provide in-depth information about the process and equipment. Detailed learning materials, such as images, videos, and user manuals, are easily accessible and help trainees learn in an engaging way. The virtual training modules are lifelike training scenarios in which trainees learn how to perform maintenance actions. For example, this allows users not only to see but also to interact with the virtual world. They can explore the topic at hand and see how things are put together in a safe environment. Being immersed in what you're learning motivates you to fully understand it. Experience the real paper mill virtually. Our vision is to become the global champion in serving our customers.